Hey guys, what's happening? Today we've got a different project to do. This is a bird cage that we're doing today. This was handmade and we're going to go out and get it sandblasted. I got about halfway through it last night and we're going to get the other half of it done today, and then we're going to be powder coating another job with pearl turquoise. Seems to be a very popular color these days. So I'm going to get suited up and I'll see you guys out there. Don't go away. See you. All right. So after sandblasting for about 15 minutes, I decided, no way. You know, as you can see, like I said, it does come off. And here's the powder coating. But this was about 15 minutes. Those three rungs. This one, this one, this one. So, at that time, we're looking at me being on this for about 3 or 4 hours. Not happening. So, to speed that process up, we're going to burn that coating off first. And the thing you got to be careful of when you're doing that, be worried about warping or, you know, anything like that. So, I've looked it over. There's nothing plastic. I took that piece of wood that was on it for a handle. I took that off of there, and we're pretty much ready to go. So I'm going to incinerate this, which is going to speed the sandblasting process up exponentially. So you guys don't go away. I'll give you a quick peek at it as I'm getting it fired up. But let me get this thing set up, and then I'll show you how I do that. All right. So, we're going to fire this baby right up. Let me flip you around. I'm going to show you what goes on here. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to get this, we're going to burn the coating off of it. So I'll be moving this burner around. All we're going to do is just get that stuff hot enough to where it bubbles. And as it starts to bubble, that is going to make this sandblasting job, instead of being about 3.5 hours, it's probably going to take me about half an hour to do the whole damn thing. So I'll be back in just a little bit after I show you that it's clean. Don't go away. Well, and as you can see, it burns off all that good stuff right away. And now, when I go to sandblast it, that stuff will just fly right off of there.